I am 6 feet 2, and this chair is very comfortable, with 8 to 10 hour days, no lower back pains. Of course I stand and stretch in between, but overall enough support to help keep lower back pain away. Don't sit too forward, the chair can tip over. The assembly was quick, and I did not use the video install, just install booklet. All included tools did the job, and no torn parts. I am happy with my purchase. Great chair as described. I'm gonna recommend this chair to everyone I know. Padding is best gaming chair I've ever brought, hands down, and don't let me forget how expensive and nice it looks. Added a little something to my decor. I am gonna preface this review by saying I got this chair to replace the 14-year-old office chair that was twisting me into a pretzel. I am also a 51-inch 150-pound female gamer. The chair was very easy to assemble, and sitting on it at first was like sitting on a slice of heaven. I can't wait to break it in. The padding is very thick, especially on the armrests and where you sit. The base and wheels also look like they are built like a tank. I got this chair after reading other reviews saying the lower back pillow doesn't come with straps, but I think I won the lottery and got an updated chair because mine came with straps. If you're a smaller person, the lower back pillow might feel a bit too big. If you're patient, you can try breaking it in though. The footrest feels very sturdy and very comfortable, too. If you're a taller person, however, your calves might end up resting on the pillow instead of your feet. Overall, I am very pleased and my body feels very relaxed. The padding is much better. Comfort level high, and I am 6 feet 300 pounds. My biggest complaint is that it said 2-day prime shipping, but ended up taking 7 to 8 days. The mesh carbon fiber faux leather material is soft, and I like the red stitching. It's nice and wide as well. I'm 57-inch and this chair is great for my height. I'd say it's probably good for 54, 61. The chair looks like it's made by the same people who manufacture the Respawn 110. It is the same layout, but the frame is improved and the seat cushion is thicker. The recline lever is better and the chair automatically reclines back to the upright position. I don't know if the arms are same or not, but they seem sturdier than the Respawns. Also, the leg rest seems improved. The Respawn 110 is usually $150 and this was $210, so I'd say this is the better buy, but if the Respawn is on sale for $100 to $120 and you're on a budget, that might be better. Chair was easy to assemble besides one of the plastic cover pieces that took a little while to